Hey, what's going on, everybody? You're watching Oscar Outdoors. I'm Oscar. Got the little not the Shimano. I got the Shimano little HG 2500, the Shakespeare Micro Series. We're at the little creek over here, at a little park, man, in the neighborhood. It's just a little creek. I mean, it's a long creek, but it's skinny water, man. It's shallow. It's down there somewhere. Well, we're gonna get down there and see if we can't pick a couple things up. Let's check it out. Check out this little spot. Is there any fish in here? Big fish, little fish, don't matter to me. Catch them all. There it is. Big old green sunfish. There it is. It's a pretty one, huh? They're always pretty, these guys. Got a little bit of that, I don't know what color that is right there, but it's nice. Oh! Big old green popped out of that rock. I like catching these guys, man. There you go. Cool. Little bitty green. You see these green sunfish, man, you can tell because even when they're little, they got a big mouth. See that? Green sunfish. Some big catfish held up down there. Little piece of cut bait out of, you know what? I might try to do that. We got some nice little channel cats in and out, you know, scattered around here. I might catch a small sunfish and put them on. See if we can hook up. There, oh shoot, almost had one. There it is. That's bait. All right, I'm gonna cut this guy up real quick. Let's see if we can't catch a catfish with them. All right, I went ahead and cut that little bait fish up. I got a little bronze hook on here. Gonna hook it up just like that. You see what's up. Oh man, little bass got it. Oh no, little green sunfish got it. Look at this guy. This guy took it instead. See, they got a mouth big enough they could take all these baits, man. Like I said, they're predators. Let's let them go. I'll try it again. Got to get it close to those catfish. Here it is. All right. Channel cat off that little piece of cut bait, man. I told you. There you go. I put a little jig head on there to help it get down, and bam! What'd you get? Little channel cat. All right, get him back in the water. All right, so we caught those couple of sunfish. I think nice little channel cat off that cut bait. I'm running a little piece of cut bait right now. don't want to let that bait fish go to waste. And we're just walking around looking for little pockets, man. This little creek, looking for creek classics. Here, you want some bait? Oh, didn't want it. Oh, he did want it. Looking for it now. Oh, it took off. Saw me. Nice green. Big green sunfish here. Look at this guy. Always cool. Got him. Big old green sunfish. There you go. Dang, I threw him out. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today, man. Continue watching Oscar Outdoors. Like, subscribe, get notified, and all that good stuff, you guys. Take it easy, y'all.